Ngayon naman, dahil na-discuss ko na yung theorems on angles formed by tangents and secants, so let us have the applications of those theorems on how to find the measure of the angles o kaya ay how to find the measure of the arc of a given circle. Okay, let us have the applications. Here are the examples. Yan. Use the figure and the given information to answer the question. If the measure of arc MKL is equal to 220 degrees and the measure of arc ML is equal to 140 degrees, what is the measure of angle MQL? So, tingnan muna natin yung mga given dun sa figure. Arc MKL. So, this is arc MKL. So, sabi dyan, if this is equal to 220 degrees, that arc. And another arc, we have arc ML. So, this is the arc. Its measure is 140 degrees. What is the measure of angle MQL? So, the angle is this MQL. I-analyze muna natin yung figure. Yung pinapahanap sa atin na measure ng angle ay angle na nabuo in the exterior point of a circle. Ito, point Q, the vertex of the angle. So, the angle is formed in the exterior of a circle and this angle is formed by two tangent lines. So, i-apply natin yung theorem. Sabi ko nga, kapag sa labas na buo yung angle, ay ang gagamitin nating operation ay 1/2 of the difference of its intercepted arc. So, sa labas o minus. Kaya, ang magiging equation natin to find the measure of angle MQL ay ito. The measure of angle MQL is equal to 1/2 of the measure of arc MKL minus the measure of arc ML. So, by substitution, binigay naman ng measure ng arc MKL at ibinigay din ng measure ng arc ML. So, i-substitute na natin. 1/2 times 220 minus 140. Then, just simplify. Ganun lang ka-easy. 220 minus 140 gives us 80 and then multiply by 1/2 or gets its half. The measure of angle MQL now is equal to 40 degrees. So, lahat naman in-intercept niya is so 220 minus 140 is 80, then its half is 40. So, the measure of this angle, angle Q, MQL is equal to 40 degrees. So, nai-apply natin ngayon yung theorems on angles formed by tangents and secants. Let's have another one example. Okay. Suppose arc PQ is equal to 4x plus 15 and arc RS is equal to 2x plus 5 and angle STQ is equal to 50. Find letter A, x. So what is x? Then letter B, the measure of arc PQ, and letter C, the measure of arc RS. Analyze muna uli natin yung figure. Tingnan natin. Tsaka yung given niya, mapapansin nyo, yung arc PQ at tsaka si arc RS, ang given measure niya ay nirepresent ng algebraic expression. Kaya hindi natin malalaman kung anong measure ni PQ at tsaka ni RS hanggat hindi natin nalalaman kung ano yung value ng x. Kaya yun ang una natin kukunin for letter A. May angle na nabuo nung nag-intersect yung dalawang secant. Ito, dalawang secant. Nag-intersect siya in the interior point of a circle. So, this is point T. So, ibig sabihin, plus ang operation na pwede nating i-apply dito. Dun sa ginamit nating theorem. Dun sa mga diniscuss natin na theorem. And then, we need to consider the vertical angles para magamit natin yung arc PQ at saka arc QS. Kaya gagamit tayo ng alinman dito sa vertical angles. It's either PQR o PTQ, alinman dyan yung pwede natin gamitin. Kaya lang, ang ibinigay ay angle STQ. So, alin yun? S, T, Q. Ito. Itong angle na ito ay 50 degrees. Kaya lang, ang hinahanap naman na arc ay hindi yung arc na in-intercept niya. Ang hinahanap na measure ng arc ay itong arc na to, PQ at saka RS. Kaya ngayon, ang gagawin natin, sabi dyan, given that the measure of angle STQ is 50. So, this angle is 50. And the measure of angle STQ plus the measure of angle PTQ is equal to 180. So, bakit ko nilagay yan dyan? Ginamitan ko siya ng supplementary angles. Diba pagka inad mo yung dalawang angle na supplementary, 180 yun. Ito kasi yung straight line niya. So, STQ plus PQT ay mga supplementary angles. So, pag inad mo yun, it gives us 180 degrees. So, ginamit yung concept na yun para magkaroon ako ng measure ng angle PTQ. Magagamit natin yung mamaya. Kasi intercepted arc yung PQ at saka yung RS. Kaya kailangan natin ng isa man sa vertical angles noong intercepted arc na yun. So, si PTQ ang naisip ko. Pero pwede rin naman na si PTS. Ito naman ang gagamitin mo, itong kabilang side. So, maalin man sa dalawa. So, kung ang ginamit ko ay na solution ay the measure of angle STQ plus the measure of angle PTQ is equal to 180. Then, given naman si angle STQ which is 50 by the substitution method. So, we have 50 plus the measure of angle PTQ is equal to 180. Then, simplify further. We have the measure of angle PTQ is equal to 180 minus 50 using subtraction property of equality. Then, it gives us the measure of angle PTQ is equal to 130 degrees. So, ayan. Makakatulong na ngayon yung angle PTQ na yan in order to find the value of X and then measure of arc PQ at saka measure of arc RS. So, papaanong paraan? So, let's proceed to letter A, finding the value of X. Again, ang angle PTQ natin is 130 degrees. So, letter A, kunin na natin yung value ng X. Ayan. Para masundan nyo pa rin yung solution based on the illustration natin dun sa figure. Ito, hindi ko siya tinanggal para kita nyo. To find the value of X, gagamit na ako ngayon noong theorem. Dahil sa loob na buo yung angle, gagamitin ko ngayon yung angle PTQ. Yan, the measure of angle PTQ is equal to 1/2 of the measure of arc PQ plus the measure of arc RS. Bakit? Kasi yung arc PQ at saka si arc RS, yun yung intercepted arc nung vertical angles na ginamit ko. So, yung isa sa vertical angle na ginamit ko, yung PTQ. Kaya, yun ngayon ang ating susundan. Since ang hinahanap naman talaga natin ay PQ at saka RS. Kailangan yung angle na, yung vertical angles na nag-intercept dun sa arcs na yun ang gamitin natin. Kaya PTQ yung ginamit ko. So, by substitution, the measure of angle PTQ is 130. This is equal to 1/2 of. So, given dito kanina, 4x plus 15, yung arc PQ. And then, 2x plus 5, yung arc RS. Let us simplify these expressions inside the quantity. 4x plus 15, 2x plus 5. Combining similar terms lang naman na kailangan natin. So, 4x plus 2x is equal to 6x. And then, 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. So, ngayon, meron na akong 130 degrees is equal to 1/2 times the quantity of 6x plus 20. Simplify ko ulit yung right side. If I multiply this by 1/2, 6x times 1/2, so 3x na lang siya. And then, 20 times 1/2 is 10. So, nasimplify natin yung equation. And then, to find the value of x, ginamitan ko siya ng subtraction property. 130 minus 10 is equal to 3x now. So, 130 minus 10 is 120 equals 3x. And then, ang gagamitin natin ditong property to find the value of x is pwedeng division property. Let's divide both side by 3. O kaya, multiplication property, multiply both side by 1/3. Pareho lang naman ang lalabas sa result doon. So, if I divide both side by 3, the value of x will be equal to 40 degrees. So, 3x divided by 3 is x, and then 120 divided by 3 is 40. So, x is equal to 40. May sagot na tayo sa letter A. The value of x is 40. Ngayon, yung value ng x na 40, gagamitin natin in order to find the measure of arc PQ and arc RS. So, let's proceed to letter B. Since the value of x is 40, let us substitute 40 to the given measure of arc PQ, which is expressed in algebraic expression 4x plus 15. Dito, ayan yung given kanina eh. Measure of arc PQ is equal to 4x plus 15. Then, let us replace x by 40. Nasolve natin kanina. 4 times 40 plus 15. Simplify. 4 times 40, 160 plus 15. Meaning, the measure of arc PQ is 175 degrees. So, ganun siya ka-easy. Sundan lang natin yung procedure. Ngayon naman, kunin natin ang measure ng arc RS. Same lang yung procedure sa letter B. To find the measure of arc RS, and the measure of arc RS is equal to 2x plus 5, let us substitute 40 for the value of x. So, 2 times 40 plus 5, simplifying, 2 times 40 is 80 plus 5 gives us 85. Therefore, the measure of arc RS is equal to 85 degrees. So, that's the application of the theorems for the angles formed by tangent and secant.